Hello students, how are you all? I hope all you are fine and well. Myself Shomiron sir. Again I am back with your environmental science class. So dear students, today we will discuss once again chapter number 1, going to school. But this discussion will be regarding some important questions. It is a revisional part of chapter number 1 of your environmental science. And in this part of video, I will provide you some important question for your self-practice. And all these questions are important for your upcoming exam. So watch the video till the end and try to complete the questions and as well as the answer. I hope all of you have watched the video provided to you from chapter number 1, as well as you have also gone through the chapter. So once again you take out your book, go through the chapter once or twice, watch the video and then try to solve the question. Take out your copy, note down all the question on your copy and try to write the answer by your own. And if possible, you do not take any help from the book. Before that, you can read the book once or twice, then by your own you can solve the question. And if you face any problem regarding this question, you can ask to me in the coming doubt clearing class. So I hope you can solve the question. So let us start our video. Multiple choice question. Question number 1. Which of the following work cannot be done by a pulley? I hope you know about pulley. You have already read in this chapter. So which of the following work cannot be done by pulley? Number A. Helping a trolley to move across the river. Number B. Helping a blind man to cross the road. Number C. Taking out water from the well. And number D. Lifting bricks to wet. So which of the following work cannot be done by a pulley? You have to write the question and you have to write the correct option. Question number 2. You can reach school by bullock cart if we have to cross thick forest, go over rocky path, move through snow, move through green field. So if you have to reach your school by bullock cart and you have to cross which areas? The thick forest or over the rocky path, or you have to move over the snow or through the field. You will write down the correct one. Next question, question number 3. The jugad is made out of. So you know about jugad, you have read about jugad, and which state you can find jugad. I hope you know that and you can. So jugad is made out of plank of wood. Number B, a motorcycle part. Number C, waste material. Number D, all of the above. So which of these things are used to make the jugad? Next question, number 4. Knee-high water is found after rain in Assam, Uttarakhand, Ladakh or dense forest. So you know some of the areas when there is a heavy rainfall, there is a water logging and knee-high water is found over there. So in which state or which area the knee-high water is found after the rain? Is Assam? Is it Uttarakhand? Is it Ladakh? Or is it any of the dense forest? So what will be the right option? You have to put it in the blank. Question number 5. Bridges in the early days are made of. So in the early days, which things are used to make the bridge? Not the modern time, early time. Okay. Number A, cement. Number B, steel. Number C, woods. And number D, bricks. So which of the above or the following materials are used to make the bridges in the early times or early days? You have to write the correct option on the blank. Next question number 6. Which of the following animals are not used as a means of transportation? Number A, donkey. Number B, camel. It will be B, not D. It is a typing mistake, small. You just change it. Number C, bullock. And number D, goat. So which of the following animals are not used as a means of transportation? You have seen that animals are used as a means of transportation. Maybe sometimes they are used to carry the loads. Maybe sometimes they are used to pull any of the carriages or cart, or sometimes it is also used directly to carry the people. So which of these animals they are not used for the transportation? So what will be the right option? You have to write down. So these are the 6 multiple choice questions. You should write the question, and if you want to write all the 4 options, you can write, and you can put a tick on the correct option. And if you don't want to write all the 4 options, what you will do, you will write the question in your copy and then write the correct option. Okay, so in these 2 ways you can do this multiple choice question. Now our true or false. Some statement or sentence will be given to you, and you have to write the statement is correct or incorrect. Either it is true or it is false. Number 1. We cannot reach school if we have to cross a bridge. So can we cross the bridge and go to school? Or we cannot reach the school if we have to cross the bridge. So this statement is true or false. You have to write. Second one. A camel cart is generally found in desert. It is true or false? Where the camel cart is found? In the desert or in the other areas? So if the statement is true, you will write true. If it is false, we will write false. Next, third one. Train can easily move over bamboo bridge. Is train can easily move over bamboo bridge? If they can move, you can write true. And if they cannot move over bamboo bridge, you will write false. Number 4. We can ride camel cart to go to school through dense forest. So sometimes when the students are crossing the dense forest, or the people are crossing the dense forest, they are using camel cart. Is it true or is it false? Fifth one. We can ride a bicycle to school if it can be reached by road. So we can ride a bicycle to school if our school we can reach by road. Is this statement correct or not? You have to write true or false. So all these true, false, the full sentence you will write in your copy. Full sentence. Then after that you will write the statement is correct or incorrect. That is true or false. So but make sure you should write the question first in your copy. Now some important question. Answer the following. What type of sound we can hear when you go to school through forest? So if you are going to school through forest, you can hear different types of sound in the forest, or passing through the forest, through the jungle. Several types of sound we can hear. So what types of sound we can hear when we go to school through forest? Second question. If you have to walk on the rocky path, what difficulty you have to face? You think, suppose you are living in a hilly region or a region where your surroundings is covered by rocky path. So if you have to walk over the rocky path, what type of difficulty or problem you have to face? You should write it down. The third one, which type of bridge may have steps? You have read about the bridge, so which types of bridge you can find that they are having some steps. Next is, where are camel cart used by children for going to school? Why they use camel cart? In some of the place in our country you can find that camel carts are used by the children for going to school. So in which place or in which part of our country these camel cart are used by the children for going to school? And with this question you have to write another question, answer why they use camel cart. So why the student or the children or the people of that region they are using camel cart. They can use some other cart also or other transport system also. Okay, but why they are using the camel cart? This you have to write it down. Next is, Rajesh and Riya lives in Uttarakhand. Their school is on the other side of the hills from their house. Which means of transport they can use to reach school easily in short time? So Rajesh and Riya, they lives in Uttarakhand, and where their house is, just to the opposite of the hill the school is located. So every day they have to go to school. So which type of transport they can use to reach the school easily in short time? So you have to think and you have to write the answer. So these are all about the questions. You should write the question in your copy. Okay, and you should write the answer also. And make sure all this work and the tasks you should do in your school classwork copy, in your EVS classwork copy. And regarding any of the question you face problem or doubt or you can't write it, you can ask to me in the coming doubt clearing class. But before that, all should try all the question. And I have also mentioned that before doing all this question or solving this question, you must go through the chapter as well as you also go through the video where this chapter is described. So thank you students, and you know that nowadays the COVID situation is going on. So I hope you are all safe at home. You should maintain the COVID guidelines. Use mask while coming out of your house. Sanitize your hand time to time or wash your hand. Maintain the other COVID guidelines like social distancing. Take healthy fruits and vegetables. Okay. As well as you should stay at home. Without any emergency, you should not go out. So thank you student. Thank you everyone. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you all.